kindergarten, before we start our handwriting practice, we need to make sure that we're holding our pencil correctly. So I'm going to remind you how we do it at school. So we've got our pencil, and who can remember how many fingers do we hold the pencil with? Only 2, and our 3 fingers usually hold our writing buddy at school. Now, if you don't have a writing buddy at home, that's absolutely fine. You can get a tissue and scrunch it up, and if you pop it in the palm of your hand, your 3 fingers can hold that tissue as well. Once you're holding your pencil correctly, we can move on to our handwriting for today, and we have 3 sounds we are going to practice. Now that we are holding our pencil properly, we're going to have a look at the 3 sounds we will be writing today. The first sound is our quiet tongue tapper T. The second sound we will be writing is the noisy tongue tapper D. And the last sound we will be writing is our big smile A, and it's yellow because it is a vowel. So let's start with our tongue tapper T first. We know that it has a really long neck, so it belongs in the sky and the grass. We're going to practice writing that. Remember, if you've got your writing buddy, you can hold a writing buddy or your tissue. 3 fingers, 2 fingers on your pencil. And let's start in the sky. You're going to start at the top of the sky, straight down to the bottom of the grass, and then straight across the top of the grass. Let's do that one more time. I'd like you to hold your pencil in the air and you're going to write it with me. Starting at the top of the sky, down to the bottom of the grass, and then across the top of the grass. I would like you to grab a scrap bit of paper, and I would like you to have a go at writing 5 quiet tongue tapper T on your own. When you finish, come back and we will do our next sound. So press pause and off you go. Now that you've done your 5 T, we're going to move on to our next sound, our noisy tongue tapper D. Now it does have a body, but it also has a long neck. So it's got a long neck, and that means it lives in the sky and the grass. Making sure you're holding your pencil correctly with 2 fingers at the front and the 3 at the back. Now it's round, which means it starts at 2 on the clock. So starting at 2 on the clock, which is just underneath the grass, we're going to go around to the left, back, and then up, down, making sure you're not taking your pencil off until you finish. So 2 on the clock, around together, up to the top of the sky, straight down to the bottom of the grass, and then you can take your pencil off. Let's try that one more time, holding your imaginary pencil, or if you've got a real pencil, holding it in the sky. I'd like you to write it along with me, starting at 2 on the clock. Here we go. Around together, up to the top of the sky, down to the bottom of the grass. Well done. I would like you to go back to your scrap bit of paper, and I would like you to have a go at doing 5 noisy tongue tapper D. When you are finished, come back and we will do our last sound. Now that you've done your 5 D, we're going to practice our big smile A. Now this does not have a neck or a tail, which means it only lives in the grass, and it's a round sound, so it starts as well at 2 on the clock. So we're going to make sure we're starting at 2 on the clock with 2 fingers on our pencil, and we are going to touch the top of the grass, bottom of the grass, together and down. Let's try that one more time, holding your imaginary pencil or your real pencil in the sky, and you're going to do it along with me. Ready? 2 on the clock. Around, touch the top, touch the bottom, up, down. Then you can take your pencil off. I would like you to get your scrap bit of paper again, and I would like you to have a go at writing 5 big smile A all by yourself. If you tried your absolute best while writing your 3 sounds, give yourself a pat on the back. Great effort, well done.